Hi, I'm Gavin Noble from Gavin Noble Physiotherapy here in Lisburn, and welcome. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt that frustrating moment where your body just isn't keeping up with your life anymore? Maybe your back tightens up when you try to play golf, your knee complains halfway through a walk, or your shoulder reminds you it's there every single morning. You don't feel old, but you don't quite feel like you used to either. That's exactly why we're here. I've been working in private healthcare for over 20 years, and the last 8 I've had the privilege of serving the Lisburn community right here in our clinic. And here's what I've learned. Most people don't want to just manage pain. They want to stay active. They want to keep moving. They want to enjoy life without feeling fragile. That's who we specialize in helping. People in their 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s and above who still want to play golf, go for a run, walk the dog, play with their grandchildren, head out for long walks without worrying about how they'll feel tomorrow. We help people of all ages move better, feel stronger and get their confidence back. But here's the problem. A lot of people still aren't quite sure what physiotherapy actually is. They think it's just massage or just exercises or something you only try when everything else has failed. That couldn't be further from the truth. Physiotherapy is about understanding your body, fixing the root cause, and building strength so the problem doesn't keep coming back. So, to make things simple, I've put together something very special for you. It's called the 52 most frequently asked questions about physiotherapy. And inside it, I answer the exact questions people ask me every single week. Things like, how many sessions will I need? Do I need a scan first? Is it safe to exercise with pain? Why hasn't this settled on its own? What can I do at home to help myself? It's practical, it's clear, and it's written to help you make confident decisions about your health. And the best part, it's completely free. Just visit our website, click the button, and download your copy today. Because when you understand what's going on with your body, you feel more in control. You make better decisions and you recover faster. Thanks for watching, and whenever you're ready, we'd love to help you move better, feel better, and get back to doing what you love.